Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use Sendit with Snapchat. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So Sendit basically takes your Snap to the next level and you can impress your friends with it. With Sendit, you can add colorful backgrounds, stickers, questions, and text to your snaps, making them more fun and engaging. Whether you want a funny caption, a cute sticker, or a colorful background, Sendit has something for everyone. Sendit also lets you ask a question, and users can reply back anonymously. So let me show you how to install Sendit for your Snapchat app. So first you want to go to your App Store, search for Sendit, all one word. This is how it looks like. Tap on it. Now go ahead and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, go ahead and open it. Now tap on Let's Go here at the bottom. This will now ask you your permission to link this with Snapchat. So this app will only have access to your display name and your Bitmoji avatar. So go ahead and tap on Continue. Now your account is linked. So you can go ahead and tap on Allow to allow notifications. The app will then ask if you want to allow access to your contacts. Press OK and then tap on Don't Allow. And now you can start using the Sendit app. So here you can basically ask anything. You can roll the dice, which will give you a random question. And you can find out what is trending. Just above the keyboard, you can change the keyboard style. So you can change the font style. If you don't like the question, you can delete the text and add your own text. Now once you're happy with that, tap on Share at the bottom. This will now take you to Snapchat, and here people can reply to your snap. If you go back and you swipe left, just above your share and play icon here, you have a choice of sending different snaps to your Snapchat. So browse through these and send snaps using this Sendit app. And that is how to use Sendit app with Snapchat. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.